welcome to day 6 of my week on board a cruise ship series. I keep changing the name of this, but anyway, good morning. I hope you slept well. I certainly did, slept like a log. We are going to work this morning. We have some stuff to do in the shops. My shop is, during this 3 weeks while we've got no sailors on board, my shop is actually going to be completely refitted. So I'm going to have to get all of my sunglasses out of the shop so that the movers can come in and do their thing. So that is today's task. We are going to clear out the sunglasses shop, and then I think everyone has things to do within their own shops. But that should only take until about 12, and then we have docked in Bruges today, so depending on how I feel I might go out later, but we will see. So yeah, let's go to work.
Hello, say ahoy.
Morning!
Baby, sail away. Take a break or stay. Print a magazine. Build a house of trees. Don't be so afraid that you'll leave one day. We can watch the new midnight sun.
Okie dokie guys, so I have had lunch, come back, had a shower, washed my hair. Yulia has very kindly put it in braids. And now, since we are in Blankenburg and it's a beautiful day outside and it's the weekend, I'm thinking that I should go out. So I'm going to go outside and meet Johnny and Mark, who also work in the shops, and we're just going to have a wander around Blankenburg. So I'm not going to go into Bruges or Brussels because that's quite a way away. Blankenburg is the closest city to where we are docked.
That you'll leave one day. We can watch the new midnight sun in June.
It's a lovely day. I found you! Hello!
The story say I do. Make a home for two. Make up characters.
What is that? Wow. Wow.
Alright, here we go. TV breaks and movies rang true. Oh yeah, I can rang true. Whoa, it seems it never rains in Southern California. They didn't think of before decided what to do. It never rains in California. Hey girl, don't you want going for? Man, it pours sort of.
That was so cool. He had a full-on smoke machine and fire machine and guitar and cymbals and voice changer. That is a good piece of kit right there, but it's stuff like that I love. I'm really glad that you saw that. That's so cool. So this is where we are heading. Oh, how cute. Wow. So this building is apparently like 200 years old. 200, yeah.
You go first.
Thank you so much.
Als je buiten zit, wil ik een vuurtje aansteken, anders kun je boven zitten ook. Hè. Dus,
Oh wow.
take a pin and you can push from where you are.
This is so cool.
Well, welcome to the house. We have the living room here downstairs. The attic upstairs, that's the most beautiful place. You can open the kitchen door yourself. Mind the body, there is a body in the brine pit of the kitchen.
Oh.
And we have the garden. You were directly, a long time ago, you were directly onto the sea, onto the beach. There were no walls, no boardwalk here behind, but you can walk to the sea on that side. Yeah? This
This is so lovely. Wow. Amazing. Can
We have
go-
3 tables here downstairs. This is the table of the superstition.
Oh.
People of the fishermen were very superstitious. They thought there was a ghost that lived here in Blankenburg. The Roesgort was his name. He could bully people, but he could only do that if he knew your real name. So all the fishermen had a false name to get protected from not getting
Oh
bullied.
wow. Amazing. Wow, these stairs are... What? I've seen
For a
what?
long time they built the boardwalk and the ugly apartments on top of.
Wow. And look at that little window. Wow. 14 people, yeah. Jeez. Oh, this is so adorable. Oh, there's a fire. Isn't that nice? Oh, it's so small. To the roof. Oh, it's so nice. Where's the baby?
The baby?
Oh, the baby! Oh. Duck to get in there. Oh. It's amazing! It's so cool! Wow.
Can I help you?
Yes. Look, so I thought he was joking when he said that.
Two bodies. 2 murders were.
Two murders.
One of the bodies was found in the brine.
Dan moet je geven ook, als je wil weten wat dat er beneden op de tafel geschreven is. Dus de vissers worden zeer bijgeloven, ze geloven dat er een kwalduivel is. De roesgort.
Well, it's a brine, so it won't.
Kost een meisje testen, maar kost dat nooit.
So it's still...
Is het al vals genomen? En dat was voor hun
Oh, I don't like that. See,
It's daft.
I don't want it that's not deep.
It's brine, it's
De andere tafels,
gherkin, man.
Gherkin, yeah, a gherkin.
en dan is het spreu.
Probably a bit of choice.
Is there someone you can help me, please?
Yes, of course I can.
When the fishermen had to pull up the sails,
Yeah.
they had to be very, very strong.
Okay.
So here you are. You can push up, you can pull up. Don't let loose, it will fall. Your drinks are on the
Okay.
tumbler.
Okay. Okay.
Don't let go.
Okay. Okay, I won't let go. All the way up.
All the
Okay.
way up.
All the way up.
Voila, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god. Voila.
Oh wow.
Times the puster. So the cups are hot. So you can place your lump of sugar in the empty cup. Then you can choose how much alcohol you do in the rest, and then the rest you fill with coffee.
Amazing.
The alcohol you don't want to use, you can leave in the bottle, but most of the people drink everything.
We put the sugar
So
in.
put the sugar in
You
first.
want a little bit of alcohol and put it in the plate. You want a lot of it.
Okay.
That way up, and then you fill it to the top.
Ah, okay, I'm gonna put it flat.
I'm going to fill that.
You fill yours, fill your boots. This is so
This is
cute.
cute. It's got a little granny. A picture of the
Little
bottle.
granny on it.
Yeah, I was going to. You should take a little in a bottle.
Oh, you're not the neck on the chest.
I have the English version for you.
Oh, thank
It's
you.
the story of the house. It goes totally automatic, but you can always swipe to return if it goes too fast.
Perfect, thank you.
Right, let's head off. Yuck. Woohoo!
Bye.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet. Huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me? Drowning in what feels just like an ocean. Negativity is getting closer. Hard to keep the heat when it gets colder. You know, sometimes everything just gets hard. Sometimes everything just gets harder. Feeling like I'm missing some parts. Days just keep on getting much darker. Even when I'm down in the low, I remember what you were saying. Sometimes all you need is a spark. Maybe just a better kind of bitter.
So, we got back on the ship at about 7:30, and then went straight for dinner, and then I honestly just came back and watched films. So now it's 10 o'clock and I am knackered, so I'm going to go to sleep. But today has been lovely. That cafe was amazing. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Really, really cool. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I will see you tomorrow. I hope you have a good evening, whatever you decide to do. Bye.